So let's start on how to get a free US number for online verification and receiving OTPs. So let's get to work. The app I'll show you gives only US numbers. So when you need a US number for online verification and creating a PayPal account, this is for you. So this is the app. So here you get US phone numbers. So there are many US phone numbers over here. So you can choose any of them. And here you can purchase a private number. So there are private numbers in which you can purchase and can be used by you only for online verification. So you can, but these ones are free for verifications. So this, you can choose this and this. So you can click on the number you want to use for the online verification, the US number. So you click on message. You click on message. After you click on copy, you press to copy the full number and paste it on where you want to receive the verification. So you press on copy, you press on OK. So you paste it and you click on messages. You click on messages. You refresh the page for your OTP to appear at the top. So these are people who used it for Google Voice verification, and this verification code was 093982. I used it for my Google verification. So this was the number I used for my Google verification. Okay. So yeah, when you use my referral code, you will get a free newbie bonus. So you can see on my account, I have $0.600. And then I had $3 in which I used for purchasing my private number. So this is my new balance, $0.600. So you can search for area codes too. You can search for area codes. So you can choose on any number and you click on open. So in this case, I'll choose for 233. So we are using +1 area code. And referral. Let's go to referral. When you refer a person, you receive a bonus. So you copy this, your invite code, and share it. So you receive 0.10 per referral sign up, and you receive 0.05 per each private phone number purchased for lifetime. So you receive $0.10 per every referral you refer. So I'll leave the app under the description box. So this can be used for creating PayPal accounts when your country is not supported by PayPal, and can use for online verifications and stuffs. So you can purchase a private number. So you click on the fourth option, private US number. So you click on it for it to load. Sorry, you click on it for it to load. Private US number. You click on purchase private number. You click on you select a phone number which you want to turn it to your private number. So there are numbers over here. So I'll choose on the 4466, the plus 133. Yes. I'll click on it and I'll see when you want to use this private number for 24 hours, meaning one day, you pay an amount of $0.69. When you want to use it for 3 days, you pay an amount of $1.66. For 1 week, you pay $2.69. For 1 month, you pay for $3.99, approximately $4. So when you have an amount over here, you can see my balance is $0.60, which can purchase this private number for only 24 hours, 1 day. So if I had $4, I could purchase it for 1 month. Thanks.